Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills, there lived a farmer. He had two seeds in his hand. Both seeds were small, both were brown, but they were very different inside. The farmer decided to plant both seeds in the same soil. He dug two small holes. He placed one seed in the first hole. He placed the other seed in the second hole. Then he covered them with soft earth and watered them gently. The first seed looked around in the dark soil. It felt the water touching its skin. It thought to itself, "This is too dark. This is too cold. What if I cannot break through? What if the journey is too hard?" So the first seed decided not to grow. It stayed small. It stayed safe. It did nothing. The second seed also felt the dark. It also felt the cold water, but it thought differently. It said, "I don't know what is above me, but I believe there is light. I will try." So the second seed pushed down with its tiny root. Then it pushed up with a small sprout. Day by day, it worked. The soil was hard. The path was long, but the seed kept going. Weeks passed. The farmer came to check his garden. He saw something strange. One hole was empty. Nothing came out. But the other hole had a small green leaf reaching toward the sun. The farmer smiled. He watered the little plant every day. The first seed watched from inside the soil. It saw the second seed's roots growing strong. It saw the green leaf dancing in the wind. The first seed felt jealous. It whispered to the second seed, "How did you do it?" "I was too afraid." The second seed replied softly, "I was afraid too, but I wanted to see the sun more than I feared the dark." Time passed. The small plant grew into a tall flower. Its petals were bright yellow. Bees came to visit it. Children stopped to look at it. The flower gave beauty to the whole village. One day, a heavy rain came. The wind blew hard. The farmer ran to his garden. He saw the tall flower bending, but not breaking. Its roots held tight to the earth. The flower survived the storm. The next morning, the farmer noticed something else. The first seed had finally moved. A tiny crack appeared in the soil. A small white root pushed out. The first seed had learned. It began to grow too, but it was late. The season was almost over. Friends, this story has a lesson for all of us. We are all like seeds. Every person has a dream inside them. Every person has a goal, but many of us are like the first seed. We look at the dark soil of hard work. We see the cold water of challenges, and we think, "What if I fail? What if it's too difficult?" So we do nothing. We stay where we are, but we never grow. The second seed was afraid too. Fear is normal. Fear is natural. But courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is feeling afraid and still pushing forward. The second seed did not know what waited above. It trusted. It worked. It grew. And when the storm came, the flower did not break. Why? Because its roots were deep. The struggle of pushing through the hard soil made it strong. Without the dark, there would be no roots. Without the rain, there would be no strength. Some of you are waiting for the perfect time. You are waiting for the fear to disappear. You are waiting for everything to be easy, but that day will never come. The first seed waited too long. By the time it decided to grow, the season had changed. You still have time. The soil is ready. The sun is shining. Push through the dark. Break through the surface. Let your leaves touch the light. It will be hard. You will be scared. But on the other side of fear is a flower. So, ask yourself today, am I the first seed or the second seed? Do not wait. Grow now.